I am like 3 seconds from crying. Ew, 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 I don't know what to do. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. It's gonna, if I open the door and scream, it's gonna move. Dad! There's the biggest and ugliest spider. You need to, like, literally come here, please. Oh my god, it's going in my room. What? It's so gross. I don't want to use my shit. Hey guys, so I want to give you a little update on the whole spider situation. My dad did come up and try to kill it for me. Unfortunately, he picked it up with the napkin and accidentally took it by the web that it was crawling on. So it did jump up and I didn't get footage of that because my phone died. So it was great. But everything's fine. I'm alive. The spider's dead. But that is actually my genuine reaction to seeing spiders. I hate them so much. But enjoy the rest of the vlog. I hope you guys like it. Bye. So we drove up to a Walmart. But next to the Walmart is a carnival. Yep. Harrison and I, the minute we see the Ferris wheel, we look to each other in confusion because my dad was driving up to a carnival on our way back from my grandpa's church, but we didn't see the Walmart, so we were so confused.
There's a ride back there and it says tilt-a-whirl. Well, it's more like tilt-a-hurl. Oh.
No, it's warm out. I love this car. Dad, do you love this car?
Yes, I do.
It's so pretty.
Giving it a bubble bath.
Giving it a bubble bath. Harrison, would you like to tell us what we're about to do?
I want to pick up some 2 liters of soda so I can do the whole Mentos soda geyser thing.
Because that's what we do on our day off. What? You're a dork. So this is what you've come up with.
We have orange and Dr. Topper. I don't know what it is, but it sounds like Dr. Pepper. Okay, let's go.
So this is the moment where you finally put your Christmas present to use.
It was cold outside. It would have frozen in the air. That would have been really cool though.
Holy crap! Why'd you put that many in there?
I think you're currently in the splash zone.
That's actually really cool.
Ready?
No? Oh my god! That's so cool.
Mentos packages. It's dripping. Dr. Topper is currently dripping from the trees.
Are you getting dripped on?
Yes.
Yeah, that's really funny.
Ready?
No.
3,
No.
2,
No.
1.
That wasn't as eventful as the cola.
And I'm gonna mix them all back together.
Oh my god, are you dumb?
And do it again. And the answer to that question is yes.
Oh my god.
Premature fire.
Oh my god!
Premature loss of ride.
I almost got it with that one.
I'm using the rest of the Mentos and mixing all of them together in one.
This is what's gonna kill our grass.
Oh, dog's gonna have a party out here.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You filled it up all the way.
Yep.
It's literally at the top. In 3, 2, 1. That was super anticlimactic. It literally did nothing. Oh my god. Oh, I thought you were gonna chug it all. Ew, ew, they look like little eggs. We're done. So that is it for today's vlog. Please like and subscribe and go follow all of my social media down below. Harrison, do you have anything to say?
No. Not at all.
Alright. Bye guys.
Why does Fanta like doing that?
Because it doesn't like you.
Just like all the people in school.
Oh, look how big it is. I love this little thing. It's so cute. Come here. Hi.